a Chinese electric hypercar streaking down the legendary ATP Papenburg test track in Germany, absolutely annihilating every speed record in its path. 308.4 miles per hour. The Yangwang U9 Xtreme didn't just break the record, it obliterated it. Today, you're about to witness automotive history in the making. The world's fastest combustion monsters, Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Hennessy, have long dominated the hypercar landscape. The previous king, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, set a mind-bending 304.77 miles per hour just a few years ago. But Marc Basseng, a track specialist with nerves of steel, climbed behind the wheel of the U9 Xtreme. What happened next sent shockwaves through the entire automotive world. The U9 Xtreme didn't just edge past the Bugatti, it left it in the dust, surging nearly 4 miles per hour faster. A margin that, at these speeds, is nothing short of revolutionary. But what makes this car, the Yangwang U9 Xtreme, capable of such mind-bending velocity? This isn't your average EV. Underneath the sculpted carbon fiber skin sits a marvel of engineering. 4 ultra-high-speed electric motors, each capable of spinning up to 30,000 revolutions per minute. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping 3,000 horsepower. The U9 Xtreme is the world's first mass-produced car to run a 1,200-volt electrical architecture, a massive leap beyond the already impressive 800-volt system in the standard U9. Why does this matter? Higher voltage means lower electrical losses, more efficient power delivery, and the ability to sustain insane speeds without breaking a sweat. The BYD blade battery inside the U9 Xtreme can discharge at a 30C rate. For the non-engineers out there, that means it can deliver its entire capacity in just 2 minutes. But it's not just about the battery, it's about the way the whole system works together. The DiSus-X intelligent body control system is constantly making micro-adjustments, up to 100 times per second, keeping the car perfectly balanced, even as it rockets towards 308 miles per hour. The torque vectoring system ensures that each wheel gets exactly the right amount of power at precisely the right moment, turning what should be an uncontrollable missile into a scalpel-sharp instrument of speed. So what was it like inside the cockpit during that record-breaking run? Marc Basseng described it as driving into the future. The ATP Papenburg track is famous for its 8.7-kilometer straight, a proving ground for legends like the Bugatti Veyron and McLaren F1. But nothing could have prepared it for the U9 Xtreme. The acceleration phase alone is breathtaking. Imagine the instant, relentless torque of 4 electric motors, launching you forward with a force that feels like you're warping reality itself. This wasn't a lucky one-off. Just a month before, the U9 Track Edition had already set a record at 293.54 miles per hour. Let's step back and look at the bigger picture. For decades, the hypercar hierarchy was set in stone. European brands like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and McLaren were the undisputed masters of speed. The Rimac Navara showed that electric could compete, but the U9 Xtreme proves that electric can dominate. But beyond the numbers, what does this mean for the luxury automotive lifestyle? The U9 Xtreme isn't just a car, it's a statement about the future of automotive excellence. Achieving nearly 310 miles per hour with electric power, delivering that performance with the precision of computer-controlled systems, this is tomorrow's definition of perfection. And make no mistake, exclusivity is still the name of the game. BYD hasn't announced production numbers, but expect the U9 Xtreme to be as rare as it is fast. This isn't mass production. This is automotive artistry at its absolute peak. Let's get technical for a moment. The 1,200-volt platform isn't just about raw power. It's about efficiency, thermal management, and sustained performance. Traditional hypercars struggle with heat soak during extended high-speed runs. But with a properly engineered electric system, you get consistent, repeatable performance at the absolute edge of what's possible. The U9 Xtreme's aerodynamic package has been meticulously tuned for high-speed stability. Every surface, every angle, Every vent has a purpose. Not just for speed, but for control at velocities where the tiniest error can spell disaster. This is engineering with zero compromise, where theoretical limits meet real-world physics. The Yangwang U9 Xtreme's record isn't just a win for BYD, it's a paradigm shift for the entire industry. The question isn't whether electric hypercars can compete with traditional combustion monsters. The question now is, can combustion even keep up? The U9 Xtreme has forced every hypercar manufacturer in the world to rethink their approach to ultimate performance. The future isn't just electric, it's here, it's Chinese, and it's rewriting the rulebook. So, what's next? Will anyone catch up? Can Bugatti, Koenigsegg, or Rimac answer this challenge? Or is the age of the electric speed king here to stay? One thing's for sure, the bar has been set, and it's sky high. As always, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you trust an EV at 300 miles per hour? Smash that like button if you love seeing records broken. And subscribe to join the Luxury Vibes community for more deep dives into the world's most exclusive machines. We are just getting started. Stay tuned, because the future of speed is only getting faster.